Okay, so hi everybody. As you can probably see by the title of this video, this did not exactly go as planned, but if you keep watching, you'll see some little pointers and tips and tricks as to what not to do. In the end, we'll see how it turned out. So anyhow, I am starting out with some Crayola air dry clay, and I'm just making a little cliff. I do have this little card that I want to put in there that belongs to my husband, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm just molding it and shaping it. Then I went ahead and I painted it. So I have some green paint. And I have these two little trees that I bought from Temu, and I put those in there as well. So I'm just topping it off with some clear resin to seal it before I put it into my mold. And I'm just placing the car on top of there. And topping it with some more resin to seal it in there. So I do want it to be all resined in there together before I put it into the mold. Now I have a little bit of sand mixed with resin that I'm just putting around the sides. And now I have some blue alcohol ink mixed with resin. Now I have my little seal. I attached it to some floral wire and holding it up with some popsicle sticks. So I'm just gonna let it cure in there. Now it's the next day and I'm cutting that with my floral cutters and getting that floral wire off of my little seal. And I have some gel medium now. I'm just kind of putting it on there to make a water effect on top of the water. Now it's the next day again, and I have some manganese blue, just a little bit of alcohol ink mixed in with some clear resin. I thought that looks a little too dark for the sky, so I figured if I add some more clear, then it'll lighten it up a little bit. So now I'm adding I have the white HGV pigment paste that I thought I can just add a little bit of this and make some clouds from it. I use my heat gun to just move it around a little bit. The next time I do this, I still will use this effect, but I'm only going to use like 2 drops because it did overtake my piece. Now, unfortunately, I added too much resin. I knew better, but I was trying to make that water lighter, or, you know, I was trying to make the resin lighter because of the sky being too dark.
I'm walking through the forest by the lake, searching, trying to find a trace. I'm calling, this really what I think it is? Am I really the one you need? Desperate times running around, chasing each other down. Is this really what I think it is?
So now it's the next day. I decided to move on again and finish adding my resin to my diorama. So I did add a little bit more of the HTV white pigment paste to make some clouds, just because I already had some down in the lower portion there. So I didn't want it to look funny. Although I do think that I overdid this, like way too much. I would just put like 2 drops. Seriously, next time, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna demold this diorama and we'll see how it turned out. If I can get it out of here. It's this mold is very strange. Okay. Try and demold something. Yes. Okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, so this is what we got here. Wow, actually, I really thought I ruined this more than I did. What I did on the side. So actually, this can probably be the front. Because you can still see the trees. I had a horrible flash curing accident with this, and yeah, so that was going to be the front. I got the little seal going in the water there, and the car, but I think the car is too covered by the clouds. I don't know. So this side. Now this side definitely have some bubbles. This side looks pretty cool. Very nice. Okay. So basically, this is going to be a 2-part video, and I'm going to, what was I going to say? I'm going to do another video on how I made the stand, and I'm going to make a silicone mold of the stand and some legs for it so that I can make more. And I want to put a light on the top and the bottom of this. But I have these lights that I got from Temu, and basically that will light up. Wow, okay, like it. So you have like that, and then the little, here, this is actually supposed to be the front. So that's the seal. Oh, that's pretty cool. I wish I didn't have that flash curing accident. This really would have come out very nice, but it'll be a nice little night light. On the bottom, that's gonna just be a little let me turn this light out so you guys can see better. All right, so that's the bottom. Will look like that. It's gonna look like that. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you like this content and want to see more like it, then please like and subscribe down below, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.